Alright guys, welcome back to Unboxing Chill. We're here because of course we have another unboxing today. We're going to take a look at a new product here. Um, this is primarily a watch channel. I just want to say that from the beginning. I do normally unbox watches, and they're normally from watchgang.com in some way, shape, or form. This is a little bit change of pace today. If you've been paying attention to the channel, I think this is the second or third one that I've done. I do also receive packages from the Bespoke Post, okay? So I do have a package here from the Bespoke Post. We're going to take a look at it here. We're going to see what it entails. This is, like I said, I believe this is the second or third one on the channel, and essentially they just send you something cool every month. Let's take a look at it, okay? Let me get my desk ready, and I do want to say at the top of the video, as I normally do, if you can hear my voice, be the cool guy, hit that subscribe button. I think we crossed over about 322 subscribers or so. We're moving along quite nicely, okay? But remember, at 500, we have a giveaway lined up, and then at 1,000 subscribers, we have a giveaway lined up, a little bit larger giveaway. And then after that, we'll just do something small every month, a little bit smaller giveaway every single month. So like I said, be the cool guy, hit that subscribe button, okay? So we are unboxing from the Bespoke Post. It's not quite a watch today. Normally we do some Watch Gang unboxings from their particular subscription service, or just a watch that I bought out in the wild. Sometimes I just buy stuff new and used, and I unbox that as well here on the channel. This is from a Bespoke Post, as I just said, but I want to do a wristwatch check just because it's kind of a tradition on the channel, okay? This is the Seiko Turtle, Batman Seiko Turtle. I did unbox this on the channel, and I'll drop this link in the description box. You can check that out. As well as I'm also going to drop the previous Bespoke Post unboxings that I've done. Because like I said, I believe this is the second or maybe the third. So just so you can see some of the other stuff they send out. Just so you can see how they operate here, okay? So now this one I've not taken a look at yet. What I normally do here, if you pay attention on the channel here, I actually usually take the stuff out of the box and I kind of have it ready to go. This is the box it was mailed in. I started to, as you can see, I did put my knife to it. I did kind of start to cut it a little bit, but I haven't actually opened it all the way. Okay, so we're gonna go in. We're gonna open it now together from the mail, from the box that it came in from the mailer, and we're gonna see what it entails. We're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so we've got the unboxing knife. And let's see here. Let's just give that a little bit better cut here. There we go. All right, we're officially open. And so this one is called AMP. So I should preface this with that. This particular box that Bespoke Post sent me is called AMP. So essentially, like I said, I already know what it is, but this is the first time that I'm going to actually see it. So here we go. As you can see, I guess it comes with, it got the insert here. AMP. Okay, there we go. That's the card they got. You can pause that and read that if you want. Some light reading material. And let's take it out of the box here. And then you can see the Bespoke Post there. So we'll move that to the side. And let's see here. So this is shrink wrapped. So they've got Satellite from LSTN. So it looks like it's Listen Sound Co. And it looks like it says real wood wireless speaker with a microphone. So that's kind of interesting. So we'll see here. We'll see what that's about. Let's open this sucker up. Let's see here. Let's get the shrink wrap off here. Okay. Throw that to the side. Let's see here. Is this a sheath? No. This opens like this. Oh. Huh. Okay, I was trying not to completely destroy the box, but oh, maybe it does just slide out. Okay, I didn't realize it had this side open. I'm trying to open it here. But the whole back side's open. Okay, so we'll move that out of the way. And we've got more packaging. Listen, Sound, and Purpose. Listen Co. Okay. And we've got the speaker itself. So I will say right off the bat, guys, that it's pretty heavy. So this is real wood. That's what they said on the box there. They've got rubber under here so that it doesn't slide anywhere. So that's to anchor it. Let's see here. Plus, minus. We've got some buttons down there. But outside of that, it looks pretty minimalist, actually. Let's bring that in for detail. So there it is, as you can see. It does have wood, real wood. Feels very nice. Feels like very nice wood. You can feel kind of the grains in the wood a little bit. There's the back. So you've got, in terms of your interface here, you've got looks like a micro USB and then essentially a auxiliary. And then on the bottom here, it looks like power up and down in terms of the sound here is on the bottom. So they really don't want you fooling with the buttons just because the buttons are on the bottom and the sound comes out of the top. So this is not designed for you to, I would imagine once you have this turned up, what you would do is just, adjust it from your phone. So yeah, this looks pretty good. So let me see. I'm gonna smell it, guys, just because I wonder if it smells like wood. It does. Okay. That might have been weird. But I just wanted to know if it had a wood smell. So it does have a wood smell, and it does look like a pretty good-sized driver and speaker in there is what it looks like, if you can see that. So let's take a look here. Let's move the knife out of the way. And what else comes in the box is going to be, of course, let's see. So it looks like an auxiliary. So it's a Bluetooth speaker, but I guess they include the auxiliary just in case you... maybe you have an older phone, maybe your phone doesn't have Bluetooth or something, maybe you have like a burner phone or a trap phone doesn't have Bluetooth. So let's see here, because it just seems like any modern phone from at least the last 5 years or so should have Bluetooth. So here's the charging cable here. Like I said, it looks like it's just a regular USB-A here, and then it's like micro USB. But they don't give you a power brick here. So let's plug this in. Okay. And then I've actually got an extension cable here, just with the Samsung from my phone, Samsung power brick here. So let's plug this in and see. Okay. Let's see if we can get this powered up here. I just want to know what this, okay. Huh. So there's the red light. So I'm assuming that means it's charging. Usually, let's see. Usually you hold the power button to...
Power on.
Oh, okay. Okay, you see it blinking right there, red and blue. Usually that means it's ready to connect to something. Let's see here. What can we do with this? Where's my Bluetooth? Okay, so let's see here. So I believe that's it right there. Maybe that's not it. Maybe that's something else. Let's see here. Scan.
Power off.
Okay.
Power on.
Can we get this to work in this tiny amount of time for this video? Because I don't want it to be too long here. Will this connect? Okay, it says I'm connected to MA Smart. I don't know what MA Smart is. Huh. Maybe I need to charge it for a while here.
Power on.
I don't know, it says I'm connected, but I don't know for sure. I'll tell you what, guys. What I'll do is I'll try to play something, and we'll see if I'm connected here. So, let's see here. Let's grab my... Well, what I want to play, I can't play. So I can't play any of my music that I would be listening to naturally. I can't play Tame Impala. I haven't been on YouTube very long, but from what I understand, they do frown upon that kind of thing, that you can't play copyrighted music here. So I actually pulled up some royalty-free music. So let's see if it's maybe connected. No, that's just playing on my phone. Okay, so maybe it has to charge. I really don't know, guys. It is not allowing me to connect to it at all. Normally, you just hold down the power button or something, and it will allow you to, go into discovery mode. So I don't know. I do like it a lot, though. I like the way it looks, I mean. Yeah, just blinking. So let's see. What if I unplug it? Okay. How much power does it take to just have that light blinking repeatedly, I wonder?
Power off.
Ah, okay.
Power on.
Let's see if we can find it again with Bluetooth. One more time here. There we go, guys. You see that? Listen satellite. So I don't know what that was, MA Smart. It's probably just something else in my house here. But I have no clue. But let's hit listen satellite. So you just can't use it while it's charging, I believe. That's probably what the problem is here. Bluetooth pairing request. Okay.
Your device is connected.
Okay, guys, we're connected. There we go. So let's see here. So I cannot play Tame Impala, but let's just kind of maybe get a peek about how this sounds. Let's turn it down a little bit though. Yeah, I think this sounds good actually. I think that would work actually pretty good for like an office or so. A lot of times, let's see. Okay. Okay. So this doesn't sound too bad. I will say I think this is perfect for like an office or so. If I wanted some real good audio, I actually do have a Google Home Max, like a $300 or $400 Google Home Max that I would listen to if I really wanted really good audio. And then also in terms of my, I think even in my loft area, I have a nice Bose Bluetooth speaker, but this is perfect for this desk. So right here, listen to podcast and maybe just kind of listening to some chill music like this. Nothing that requires anything where I would want like really insane audio. I think this is perfect. From what I understand, I was reading the reviews, it only starts to distort at the very high volume areas. But for what this is not bad at all in terms of the price. I mean, this was, just to let you guys know, put this out there, it was $40. So this was $40 to have sent out. And that was the price that Bespoke Post charged me. And I can honestly say, I think for $40, this is actually pretty good. It looks like on their website, they sell it for $99. So this might be a model they're closing out or that sort of thing. Let's check out their website, and then we'll get out of here, okay? Let's put some tunes on. We'll play it low. I don't want it too loud in you guys' ear here. And let's see. Let's go to their website. Here we go. So this one actually looks very cool. This is the Gramercy. Let's turn that down a little bit. This is the Gramercy here. And I think this one actually looks very cool. Their stuff definitely has a nice design aesthetic. Kind of an older charm to it. And then this is the Satellite in Zebra. So that's the color that we have here. We have Zebra here. So, okay. But as you can see on their website, you can add it to cart. It's $99. So on Bespoke Post, it's $40. And I will say, I think it's a decent sounding speaker for the $40. So for $40, this is definitely not bad. I don't know about 100. I probably wouldn't spend 100 on it, but I will definitely say it's definitely worth more than the $40 that I paid for it. So anyways, this is something a little bit different, okay? Please let me know what you think as usual. Give me your honest and unvarnished opinion in the comment section below. Thank you so much for stopping by. This has been Unbox and Chill. Hit that subscribe button. Hang out with me. We got more cool stuff coming up. Thank you so much. Goodbye.